This video is sponsored by Hairvivi. These are the items that comes in the box, and in today's video I'll be reviewing their Bodywave unit in 200% density. As you can see, this unit does come with the full front bleached, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band. Hey faithfuls, welcome back. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. As you already read from the title, that I'm going to be reviewing a Hairvivi unit today. Those are always good ones. I did go ahead and I did a ball cap today, and I did it using the Aussie Freeze Spray. So dolls, if you haven't seen my latest video, I did do a review on several hairsprays, and I found more than one replacement for Got2B Glued. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link that up top, as well at the end of this video and in the description box down below. So for this unit, you guys know I like to keep switching it up to provide you different options for installing your unit. So I'm going to do a glued install, and if I'm perfectly honest with you guys, I hate doing glued installs. It just takes too damn long, okay? But the thing that gets me is that I haven't perfected it yet, and I'm the type of person that if I don't know how to do something, I'm gonna keep doing it until I get it right. And I encourage you guys to do the same.
Message!
So for today's video, I'm going to be gluing this unit down using the Bold Hold Active, and this will be linked in the description box, as well as everything else that I use in this video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to press the hairline with my straightening comb to make sure that all of the loose ends from the hair is pushed back. I haven't decided if I'm gonna pluck it. If I am, I'm gonna pluck this before I do that install as well. And then once I do that, I'm going to use the outline method and outline the hairline before I apply the glue. So yeah, let's get into it. So dolls, I wanted you to see what this unit looks like straight out the box before I do any customizations to it. I am going to pluck this unit just slightly, and I'm not going to talk too much, as I would prefer you just watch to see how it's done. And this is what the unit looks like after I'm done plucking. And I'm going to just go over the edges with my straightening comb to get everything to lay down nice and flat. Okay dolls, so I didn't pluck too much from the hairline. This is all that I took out. Lately I've been trying not to over pluck the hairline, whereas I used to pluck it to my satisfaction, but your frontals are going to eventually start losing hair over time, so it's best to just kind of pluck it to where it's good, and then over time it's going to get to the point where you want it. Guys, I'm sorry, my eyes keep watering, and it's always this one eye. It's just one eye, and it's messing up my makeup. I don't know what causes it. I don't know what to do to fix it. It's really driving me crazy. But anyway, now that I've plucked the hair, I'm ready to apply this unit. So I'm gonna try this on, and actually I'm gonna take the elastic band out because I won't need it since I'm gluing it down. And for some reason, this wig is fitting kind of snug on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the lace, but I'm not gonna cut it as close to the hairline as I typically do since I'm gluing it down. I'm gonna just leave a little bit of lace there just for security. Okay, so this lace doesn't match exactly with my complexion. So before I apply the glue, I'm going to apply 1 to 2 coats of this tinting spray just to get it to match a little bit better. You can also use your makeup as an alternative if you don't have the tinting spray. And dolls, as always, all products used in this video will be linked in the description box down below. As you guys can see, this is blending a lot better with my complexion now. And for those who don't know, this tinting spray is temporary. It washes off when you shampoo your hair, so you will have to reapply it after each wash. So now I'm going to map out this hairline using my pencil. Now that it's outlined, I'm going to just take this glue and apply it to my hairline using the tip of this rat tail comb. I did clean it off with some alcohol to make sure that it's free of any makeup. And this bald hold active dries very quickly, so you have to move fast. Now I'm going to go in with my second coat. Third coat. And the last coat. Once the glue dries clear after you apply the last coat, you want to go ahead and lay that lace down. And I'm using the tip of my rat tail comb to marry the lace with my skin. And you want to apply some pressure just to get that to melt right in. Then I'm going to use my Sea Breeze to clean up any remaining glue, as well as to remove the pencil mark from my forehead. I'm going to tie this down with my scarf. I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes just to help that lace melt in with the glue. a wax stick. I have a few of these available on my store for a fairly decent price. I like to use the wax stick to lay down any flyaways, and then it's best to follow it up with a pressing comb just to get everything to lay flat. And that helps give the wig a very natural appearance. I decided to throw some curls in this, and I'm using a regular curling iron. However, I'm using it as a curling wand by just wrapping the hair around the barrel. And as you can see, it's creating these beautiful spiral curls. Like Hairvivi hair, like, I don't know, their hair is just, it's so pretty to me. It takes a curl so well. You saw how easy it was for me to put these curls in. I left the hair on the curling wand for about 5 to 10 seconds. This literally took me like 10 minutes to do. Their hair curls so easily. I don't think I'm gonna sell her. I might have to keep her. I don't know, I'd be wanting to keep so many wigs. I ain't gonna lie. I can't even wear all the wigs that I have. I don't know. I'll debate on this one, but she's very beautiful. This is the 18-inch. Of course, it's shorter because I've added the curls. Let me stand up so you can see where it lands with the curls. And as I mentioned, this is their Bodywave unit. So dolls, I want to start giving you guys some updates after I've worn the unit for a while. And I've had this unit installed for almost 2 weeks now. The Bold Hold Active held up pretty well. And the curls on this unit, guys, are really bomb. All I did was twist my hair at night and put it up in a bun. And in the morning, the curls were still there. So I just wanted to show you guys what this unit looks like before I take it down. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, all the information will be in the description box down below. Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for those clip-ins that I reviewed earlier this week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed right here. So dolls, by now, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.